Hi, how to enter the conversations, status updation of supplier purchase orders. Go to PO status in vendor management. Select the date range. Select the particular purchase order. Enter the meeting date. Enter the next meeting date. Enter who attended the party. Enter who will be attending the party next time. Enter the current status. Enter the discussion point or any remarks. Click Save. That's it. You can see the last discussion is already appearing. SimpliRP is the easiest way for vendor management. Thank you.